Top 3 copywriting strategies for beginners. Copywriting can make or break your business. Your skills directly and indirectly impact how well you communicate with your customers. Good writing brings out emotions, answer questions, and leads users to the sale. Hey guys, my name is Sumit from Paper Video, and in this video we are going to enter the world of copywriting and answer the question where to even begin. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative and educational videos. You can also turn on notifications by clicking on the bell button to get notified every time we upload a new video. Before you even start writing, think about what stage of the customer journey your reader is most likely in. Awareness stage. Customers in this stage are beginning to articulate symptoms of their problem. I keep getting drenched on my way to work. When you write a copy for people in the awareness stage, use the language that responds to the symptoms. Consideration stage. The customer has done some research. They have articulated their problem. I need a new raincoat that is stylish and keeps me dry. When your audience in this stage, speak directly to the solution for their problem. Our raincoats are stylish and guaranteed to keep you dry. For buyers in this stage, consider adding a direct call to action. Invest in raincoat that will change your commute forever. Decision stage. The customer is making a final decision on whether to purchase or not. Testimonials, reviews, and case studies can help to convert them into a final sale. Now, with your customer's journey in mind, here are the 3 copywriting strategies to help you improve your writing skills and boost your conversion rates. So number first is features versus benefits. When writing product and service descriptions, don't forget to include the benefits of what you're offering. Benefits include everything the customer should experience when using your product and generally hint at an emotion or how satisfied customers will feel when they use your products. For example, if you're selling rain jackets, when you write your web description, don't just list the material type and color, red waist length raincoat. Instead, add a little about benefits. Maybe it's guaranteed to keep them dry and look stylish, but it's also made of a breathable material that won't trap sweat inside and that doesn't make garbage bag type swishing noises when you walk. Is the fabric ethically sourced or made from recycled material? Tell your customers that too. This makes purchasing much more enticing and justifiable as they can imagine exactly what they will experience. Speak to pain points that customers may be feeling. You could mention that they won't have to worry about arriving to work soaked anymore or getting their hair all messed up. Number 2 is employ storytelling. Connecting with your audience is a great way to build trust and community. When users can relate to you and your business, they are more likely to become your customers. One of the best ways to achieve this is through storytelling, giving real-life examples or anecdotes to illustrate your main points. There are few ways to approach this. Consider the position a potential customer is in and talk about how you were once there too. If your product or service is geared towards aspiring entrepreneurs, share a little about your experience of starting a business and the challenges that you faced. Maybe you were in the financial struggle before starting your business. Tell them about it and how you got to where you are today. Storytelling can also be simpler, like mentioning something recent you experienced that inspired your latest article. For example, I've personally been studying copywriting lately, which is exactly what inspired this article. After reading multiple books, attending seminars, and absorbing other materials, I thought it'd be an excellent knowledge to share. Number 3 is to sound like an expert. If you sound like an expert on any given subject, people are more likely to trust your brand. While speaking or writing about your product or service, use statistics and numbers. This is a short way to build credibility. Data that you use should always be legitimately sourced and ensure that you refer back to who gathered it. Avoid making claims without real numbers to prove it. As you can see, copywriting doesn't have to be complicated. It's one of the most cost-effective marketing strategies for any business. Try one or other of the above combination techniques and experience the results yourself. If you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to like, comment, and share it with your friends, family, and colleagues. Thank you so much for watching.